Hello YouTube friends. Today I will tear down this very nice looking transceiver. It's a marine type, so used on different kind of boats, and it's made by the company Scandinavian company Skanti. It's a 20 watts or 1 watt selectable, not this knob, by pushing or pulling the knob. You can select 1 watt or 25 watts. Um, Unfortunately, I don't have the hand piece that you use to speak and hear, like this one. It's just like an old phone, plus it has a button for PTT. This radio is in a very good shape. I think I will build this, even if the frequency that is used, it's from 150 megahertz to 159 megahertz. I think it used. So let's see what we have inside. Let's take a look. We have some screws. I wonder if I can convert it to be used in the ham bands, so under 150 megahertz. But anyway, it's very nice. From what I understand, it has a very good reception, so sensitivity. Okay, this is the radio. Let's open the down part also to see everything that it is to see. I found a very interesting manual of this radio. I will leave it in a link down on the video in the description. It has everything, like the old good radios. You have schematics, you have troubleshooting, you have how to use it in case you don't know how to use something like this, and so on. Okay, look at this VCO, nice. So what we have here, the main chip. So we have here Bravo 2 mic, and here we have Alpha 2 mic. Those are memory chips, maybe? Anyway, it looks very nice. The transmitting relay, band pass filter, very interesting, very interesting. A lot of coils. And what we have here, Bordeaux, France, Mike Victor 30. I think is the power amplifier. And here we have a board. From what I understand, there is an option that you can adapt. It's about cell call, selective calling. So if you are on the sea and you want to uh, call a specific boat, maybe you are going with a friend on a fishing boat that has another fishing boat, and you want to call only that person, you can install here a circuit board replacing this one that has some jumpers, and so you can choose the call tone. Sorry, you can choose the tone so that you can call a specific person that has the same circuit and the same tone. So very interesting. Tell me what you think about this radio in comments below, and if you know somebody or maybe you that modified this kind of radios to work on the ham band or the radio amateur bands. So let me know in the comment, please. There's not much to say about this except it looks very, very clean, very nice. Oh, you sometimes wish like to go back in time just to have only this kind of radios and to work only with this kind of equipment. They are so nice, easy to work with, and very clean, very beautiful. Anyway, here we have auxiliary connection. I can see only two wires used here. I saw something about alarm that you can put here. We have the antenna plug, 12 volts, and a speaker plug, and also a fuse. And here you have the handset plug, mute or unmute, test, and reset. On test you can check all the lights to work and to do the things that they have to do and show. You have volume with on off, squelch, dual watch, sorry. You can program it to watch over two frequencies. The main default frequency is channel 16, which is a Coast Guard channel, and also on you can program to have a specific channel. So you can set the frequency, the channel, sorry, but it will also listen to the 16 channel. Here we have dimmer and power by pushing or take it up and down. Okay, here we have the channel selector, and that's it. Very nice, very clean, very beautiful. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comments below if you work with this kind of radios, if you know some modification for this kind of radio, any ideas, of course. If maybe you have a handset like this one, the original one, maybe you want to donate or sell, I will be interested. So let me know. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share if you want. Bye bye, and don't stop thinking.